Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix VLC media player sound problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also facing issue while playing any video in your VLC media player, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your VLC media player, click on the start menu, click on the all apps, then search for your VLC. Click on your VLC media player. In this, you will find here audio. Check whether it is muted. If it is muted, then you have to unmute it. You can see here cross mark, it is muted. Just you have to unmute it. After that, you can see here in bottom, it is unmuted. If this is okay, then click on this tools. Click on preferences, click on audio. You have to make sure that you have check mark this option, enable audio. Output model, click on automatic. If you have done any changes in this, and if you don't know what you have done recently changes in this, just click on reset preferences, click on OK. After doing this, just play any video and check whether it is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to update your VLC media player. Click on help, click on check for update. If there is any pending update, just download and install it. After updating, still you are facing the issue, then you have to go to the control panel. Click on control panel. Click on this category, then search as large icon. In this, you have to select sound. Select your default speaker which you are using. Suppose if this is your speaker, right click on that. Then set as default device. After that, you can see here sounds. Click on the sounds. After that, select your default speaker, then click on properties. Here you can see levels. Just maximize the sound from here. After that, you will find enhancement. Here you will find. After increasing this sound level, just click on OK, then close this window. After completion of this, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix VLC media player sound problems. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.